Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to show you how you can fry your chicken. Delicious fried chicken and very easy and simple to make it. You can enjoy with whatever you want to eat with. Me, I'm enjoying with my fried rice and salad and sweet pepper. Yeah, you see how yummy it look. This my recipe you can use for if you are making party, funeral, meeting, any occasion. You can use this chicken recipe to make it, and it's very yummy, especially those people sell fried rice. The ingredients you need, I'm using this chicken. Yeah, I'm using 1 kilo of chicken, ginger and garlic paste, bay leaves, 1 tablet of shrimp Maggi cube, Adobo, salt, curry powder, chili powder, chicken seasoning, onion powder and vegetable bouillon. And you add all together, all the spices together in one saucepan. You are going to use it like what I have done it. You do the same. I'm adding the Maggi. You break the Maggi, you add it to it. I'm adding 2 cups of water. It depends the quantity you are making, because I'm using 1 kilo of chicken. That's why I use 2 cups of water. And you stir it, and you add your ginger and garlic paste to it. Also, you mix all together. And I have fried rice shito salad recipe on my YouTube channel, so you can search for that one too. And you set the fire to medium temperature. Cover it, let it boil. And you see how it look. And you open it, you add the chicken to it. Like what I'm doing it, you add your chicken. This is very easy recipe, you can make it. And you can see your chicken, if you fry it, it will be nice and it will not make some nyama things on your chicken. You see, this is very simple, easy way, and you cannot find any blood inside the chicken. Yeah, it's like you are cooking to eat. Yeah, but this one you are going to fry it. I'm using soft chicken, so you can use the hard one, the same what I'm doing it, but I'm using the soft one. Cover it, let it be boil for 5 to 8 minutes. And when it's on fire, you come and stir it. Yeah, you come and stir it small like this. What I'm doing it, you come and stir it, not too hard. Be careful, otherwise all the chicken will break. Yeah, you make it, you cover it again and let it be cooked. Yeah, when it's cooked, if you take while, you will not find any blood coming out. Yeah, when it's cooked, that's what you will not find any blood. So if you take some, you see some blood is pumping out, then it's not cooked good. Please don't forget to follow, like and share my Facebook page. And it's ready. You take it out, you remove from the this stock you have make it. This stock you can use to cook your jollof rice or okra stew. You can use for okra stew, it tastes very nice. And you put it as a salad. You see how it's look. Put it somewhere for 5 minutes, and you put your oil on fire. When the oil is hot, you start frying it, but set your fire to medium high temperature, not high, not low, medium high temperature to fry this chicken. Yeah, and you start frying all until golden brown, nice look. Yeah, I'm thanking my old subscribers and my followers, Facebook and YouTube and Instagram. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the notification bell on my YouTube channel. Thank you. It's ready. Remove it. You see how it's look? Yeah, that's supposed to be look. It's very nice and tastes very yummy. It's yummy. This one you can eat with hot pepper. If you get some ground hot pepper, stop. And you fry all until finish. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. Like, comment and share it. Thanks for watching my UK catering services. See you on my next video. Bye bye.